I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to preset the font for your web page. So to do that, you need to be inside of your Cheetah editor, and you need to go to Add and then Font. And that's going to show you the font for all of the different styles of text that you have available to you. And those styles include H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and then paragraph style, which is listed as a P. So in order to affect those throughout your entire website and your entire page, you need to change these in this Add Font area. So to give you an example, I'm going to go ahead and delete this font here, and we're going to add a new text area, and we want it to be this yellow font. So I've created the H1, I've pre-configured the yellow, I've got the font family as Arial, size 82 for desktop, size 34 for mobile, and the line height is 1, which is what it typically is. That's the normal line height and how much space that you have between two lines if there's more than one line of text. And then the color we set to yellow, and to get rid of that color picker, we just click the box again and it will make it disappear. So these are all the H1 settings. We can do the same thing for the H2 settings and the H3 settings and so on. But I'm going to show you what this looks like when I pull in a new text box that's designated as H1. So I'm going to go to Add and then Element, and I'm going to choose Text, and I'm going to choose an H1. So I'm going to click and drag it over and drop it onto this panel. And you can see that it already has the text in there. All I have to do now is change what the text says. So I'm going to double click in there, and I'm going to highlight, and then I'm going to type in the text that I want to add. So I've typed in the text that I want to add. I want to make sure that it's centered like it's supposed to be. So there's the center. And once I'm done adding the text that I want in there, I just click Save, and now my text is added, and then I can click and drag it and put it exactly where I want it to be. So that's how simple it is once you have your fonts configured with the colors and the size and the style font, how easy it is to grab those from the text area inside of Elements and then just type in exactly the content that you want, and it's ready to go. So that's how you create standard fonts for your website inside of your editor. Have fun building something amazing with Cheetah.